Good morning. Now I cannot forget about the 335, right? Love the M5, but equally, I love my 335 as well. You know, 7+ years of ownership, you know, doing all the maintenance and DIYs and stuff like that for this car on this channel. This is the car that started my channel. So, you know, if you guys haven't seen any of those DIYs, check them out above. I have not drove the 335 in 3 weeks. It's been a while. So unfortunately, you know, I fired it up, get in the car, you know, turn on the music, stuff like that, connect everything. And then I go in reverse and SES light. Like, dang. Can't win. So firing up my JB4 Connect kit here, so that way we can really kind of see, read codes, and it is my post-cat O2s, 2C9E. So as much as it sucks, not too big of a deal. Now I do still have my stock cats. I mean, with 158,000 miles, the rears I think are original. I never replaced the front ones, to say the least. But we will delete, and all gone there. So what that means, another DIY for the 335i. So I'll show you guys how to swap out your rear O2 sensors. I do already have the DIY on changing your front primary O2 sensors, which are definitely a big deal because they control your fueling. Now your back ones do communicate with your front ones a little bit, but more so your front ones are more important. Check out that DIY above.
So, I mean, that's really the moral of the, I guess, the story, right? Things can happen on your BMW. Buying the parts yourself, changing them out yourself, you know, obviously that's how you can fix things on your BMW for the least amount of cost versus taking it to somewhere else, even an indie shop or even, of course, obviously the dealer. A lot more expensive going to both of those places. The main point, of course, of the channel, the DIYs, to make sure to check out those, really just to help you get to that level and just to change it out, because it's really not complicated. You know, I'm trying not to overcomplicate things, and yeah, you have to take off a few more parts than normal, but I'm gonna help you along for the ride. So with my rear post-cat O2 sensors being bad on my car, I'm gonna be ordering 2 of them. So I'll have 2 new ones there, and then we'll do the DIY video on that. Be sure to check out my front primary O2 sensors, because I do have that DIY on my channel that I already referenced. And you know, more good videos to come here on my BMW N54. I appreciate everyone sticking around here at the channel. So a lot of good mods here to come on the M5. So those are gonna be coming out in the next few days, and then we'll be jumping right back in the N54. Appreciate everything. Big thumbs up in the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, you know, check out my other videos, and we'll chat with you soon. Take care.